going on with that hair? Let's sort that little babble. Hi guys, I hope you're all well and welcome back to my channel. I am very aware that I have not been on YouTube for about 2 years now. There's a few reasons why I haven't been on YouTube and I'll go into those in a different video. I feel like there's so much that happened in that 2 years, it all needs their individual videos. So stay tuned for that to find out a little bit more. I've just done a bit of vaping now, that's better. I've done a bit of a rebrand also. I used to be Gigi's Lifestyle. I've now changed my name to Gigi's World. No real reason, I just thought I'd change it. New start, kind of a new launch. Everything's still the same. You can now find my brand new Instagram page at Gigi's World with a little kiss on the end. I'll put it up here so you can see it. I've still got my Facebook page, so please go over there and give that a like. And obviously this YouTube channel is exactly the same. I've just changed the name and changed the branding. I just wanted to come back, rather than just posting videos like randomly and you kind of being, oh, where she's been. I just wanted to kind of explain to you guys that I have taken some time out. Like I said, I'll explain these in reasons for taking time out in other videos. I didn't want this video to be a down in the dumps video and going through all the things that have happened in the last 2 years. Some really great things have happened as well, which again you'll learn about as we kind of go through. My channel is going to be exactly the same. It's still going to have some really cool videos. Really cool videos. I'm still going to be posting what I posted before, but even more stuff. I've got a really supportive partner this time and my sister's really behind me, so I'm going to be doing a lot more vlogs, so you'll see me on my day-to-day life and just get to share me a little bit more. Share me like I'm really important. I mean, like, share my life if you want to see my life. But I'm doing this as a bit of a hobby, same as before, but I thought I'd just come on and say, look, I'm back. So if you liked this channel before and you're excited to see more videos, if you've just seen this video like you would anyway, because I've got like 50 subscribers, but hey, I love all 50 all 50 of you. Just hit the subscribe. I can't even talk. This is how long I've been out of the whole YouTube camera. It's taken me about 4 hours just to set up my light and where I need to look in the camera, and it's just a nightmare. But if you like what you see and you want to see more of me, hit the subscribe button, also hit the little bell button. You'll get notified every time that I upload. Stay tuned, I've got some really cool videos coming up. I've got what I got for Christmas. I've got a vlog coming up when I'm going to Milton Keynes to see a panto. I've got loads of things coming up, so just keep tuned, hit subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Cheers guys!